What's up guys? For today's video, we're going to demonstrate the how to do file sharing and printer sharing. So first, let's do the file sharing. We're going to create new folder in our desktop, adjust its properties, making sure the folder is shareable. To do that, we need to turn on and share to everyone. To see if it actually works, let's head to the Run application and type of our IPv4 address. To know our IPv4, we can head on to our CMD and type ipconfig. As you can see, the folder is here, so it works. Next, we're going to do the printer sharing. First, let's create a new folder again to share this using Server Manager. Let's head to File Services and browse the folder we created. Then we'll just click Next to all. Next, let's head on to our Print and Document Services. Then, Print Server and click for the printer. And in here, we're going to make the printer shareable by enabling the Share This Printer. To check if it works, let's once again go to Run application and type in our IPv4. And wow, there you go. We share the folder and printer using the Server Manager. Thanks for watching, mga chup chup.